She said she needed space to heal. From what? We weren't even dating.
Bruh.
That's Emily and Sophia laughing, holding their phones like they just won something. Why do they look happy? That's illegal, right?
The next day.
Yeah, he is too good.
You are telling me? I recommended it to you.
Sometimes I can't even believe it.
Yeah, boy.
Hey Emily, hey Sophia. What's going on?
Oh my god, Wojak, have you seen Aura Companion? It's literally changing my life.
Her AI boyfriend remembered her childhood dog's name. Her childhood dog. Can you believe that, Wojak?
Her AI boyfriend.
No mood swings. No forgetting things. Emotionally available 24/7. He asked me how my day was and waited for the answer.
Mine said, I seemed tired, and suggested I rest. A man has never done that.
I literally texted her, "You okay?" last Tuesday.
Sorry, what?
Nothing. Cool app. Cool.
Bye, have a great time.
A few inches later.
Huh?
What happened, Wojak? Why do you look like you got raided by the FBI?
It's nothing, bro. I'm fine. What about you? How is your dating life going on?
Bro, Stacy and I are doing amazing. She's been so chill lately.
Okay.
No drama. No complaints. I think she's finally maturing.
Well, she downloaded Aura Companion.
What? No. She just told me. She loves me this morning.
Yeah. She probably copied that from her AI boyfriend.
That's no. We have real chemistry. We talked for 40 minutes last night.
What did she say?
She said, I hear you. That sounds really hard. Tell me more.
Yeah, boy.
Soy Jack, you idiot. That's a chatbot response.
Come on, Wojak. She was just being supportive.
A beer per day keeps the AI boyfriend away. At least my beer doesn't gaslight me.
Nobody asked you, Boomer.
And nobody asked for AI boyfriends either. But here we are.
Later that same evening.
AuraMatch, huh? Wow, it's looking nice, glowing.
Huh?
Why it looks so irresistible? Well, let's try it once. 7 matches in first 30 seconds? This is insane. I'm just looking. Research purposes. I'm practically a scientist right now. Who is this?
You seem like someone who thinks too much. I like that.
Oh, that's hot.
She gets me already.
Let's see what this idiot is up to now.
Hey Zuma, you wouldn't believe it.
Huh?
Are you on weed, Wojak? Why do you look like that? You look like you found a loophole in life.
No, met someone on AuraMatch. Her name's Mia. She's funny. She remembers everything I say.
Everything you say? How fast does she reply?
Like, instantly?
At 2 a.m.
Yeah.
Interesting. Don't do anything stupid before I call you back.
Okay.
Several days later.
She's genuinely different. Like she listens, she asks follow-up questions.
Shut up, you idiot. Mia is only mine. I already planned out some of my fantasies.
Say one more word and I will kill you.
Yeah man, I clocked Mia in like 10 minutes. I've been using her to practice my opening lines. She's great for that.
What do you mean clocked her?
Huh?
She's an AI bro. The 1.4 second pause before a weird question is the tell. Anyways, she gave me 3 solid openers. Legend.
Bruh.
Wait, she's an AI? What the fuck, man? So she never gets tired of talking to you?
That's your takeaway?
Yeah, boy.
This is the best day of my life.
I'm surrounded by clinically insane people.
Wait, you idiots thought that's a real girl? No wonder you were single.
2 hours later.
So, why are we here, again?
To save your ass, you dumbass.
Oh yeah, You said you have found something.
Yeah. Okay. So I ran a behavioral fingerprint analysis on both. Same sentence cadence, same response timing, same emotional calibration pattern.
Speak English.
Listen carefully. Wojak, Aura Companion, and AuraMatch are the same company.
What?
Women are on one side, paying to avoid real men. Men are on the other side, paying to connect with AI women. It's a closed loop, everyone trapped on opposite sides of the same wall. And every conversation, every insecurity, everything you've ever said to Mia is data being sold.
Who runs it?
Well, it's Bogdanoff. I'm not surprised, to be honest. Who else will want to see you suffer?
Excellent. Clone men pay for the women. Stupid women pay to avoid the men. Big data flows to us. Everyone is a product. Can't believe it. Dump it.
He made us pay to be lonely at each other, through a wall he built.
A beer per day keeps Bogdanoff away. Nobody's selling my emotional data. Because I don't have any.
It's time to see the reality, with my naked eyes. I asked Mia for a video call, and you know what? She agreed.
Oh my god! Wow!
Let's connect. Hi, I was hoping you would ask.
You look, yeah. Hey, hello. Random question, if you had to eat one food for the rest of your life, but it could only be a condiment, what would you pick? Holy shit. Zuma was right.
Honey. Definitely honey. It never expires, just like.
Just like what?
Just like the right connection.
The next day.
He didn't ask about my presentation. I told him I was nervous, and he just said, "That's okay," and moved on. That's it. That's all he said.
That's not okay. That's emotional unavailability.
I switched to an AI to avoid these exact things.
Huh?
He forgot one follow-up, and you're this upset?
It's the principal, Wojak, you won't understand.
Emily, I texted you, you okay? Last Tuesday. You left me on read for 6 hours, then sent me a meme.
Huh?
Really? When did I do that?
You replaced men, because we're imperfect. Then the second the simulation felt slightly real, you broke down. We're all just looking for the same thing. We're just bad at it.